Hello students, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So let's start today's session. This session for class 3rd, subject science, chapter 1, human body, the unique machine. Lecture number 3, topic summary, and we will do book exercise also in this session. We have already discussed about cell, tissue, organ, system. Cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Remember, a group of cells make tissue and a group of tissue make organ. Many organs together performing a task in a living body form an organ system. Everyone understood? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? Now we will discuss about system. Think how many systems? मैंने पिछले लेक्चर्स में आपको कितने सिस्टम के बारे में बताया है? Yes, my dear students, I have taught you about 8 systems. 8 systems. 8 systems. And what are those? They are skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system. These are the systems that work in our body. Now, think about skeletal system. इस सिस्टम में हमने पढ़ा था फ्रेमवर्क. मीन द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ बोन्स give the shape to the body. Have you remembered how many bones in an adult human body? Yes, 206 bones. There are 206 bones in an adult human बॉडी. हमें अपनी बॉडी को हेल्दी और स्ट्रॉन्ग रखने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी शुड ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ मिल्क. Now, you can see a picture of skeletal system. How the bones are joining together to form a structure. हम जिसको structure बोल रहे हैं वह skeleton है. Now, I am going to next topic. The next topic is muscular system. और इस सिस्टम में muscles are attached to the bones and help in the movement. Now you can see the picture of muscular system. I hope कि आपको इस पिक्चर को देखकर काफ़ी हद तक समझ में आया होगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग, हम रख सकते हैं काफ़ी हद तक डेली एक्सरसाइज करके अपने मसल्स को हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. We must exercise daily to keep our muscles healthy and strong. Now, let us discuss about the respiratory system. The respiratory system, which provides oxygen to all parts of the body. Yes, we can say in short of respiratory means breathing. Respiratory means breathing. I show you the picture of respiratory system. Now you can see on your screen the picture of respiratory system. In this system, the organs are nose, windpipe and lung. हम इस सिस्टम के हेल्प से ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर छोड़ते हैं. Now, read what I have written here. Its digestive system. In this system, changes the food we eat into a simple form. Okay, listen carefully. Food we eat in this system is digested. Have you understood? Means इस सिस्टम में खाना पचाने का कार्य होता है. What is the next topic? Next topic is circulatory system. Circulatory system में कौन कौन से organ आते हैं? Yes, my dear students, the main organs are heart and blood vessels. Okay, think about what is the work of this system. This system helps in the circulation of oxygen and nutrients to all body parts through blood. And the next is excretory system. In this system allows us to get rid of all the waste materials from our body. What are the main organs? Yes, the two kidneys are the main organs which help in removing waste in the form of urine. Now I come to nervous system. Have you remembered something? I'm talking about control and power. Yes, आप सही समझे. The action and reaction in our body are controlled by the nervous system. Now we will discuss about reproductive system. Reproductive system. This system enables a mother to bear young ones. सोचो हमारे इस चैप्टर में कौन सा टॉपिक रह गया है अब? Yes, I'm talking about sense organ. सेंस ऑर्गन्स. एज यू नो कि हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स कौन कौन से हैं? आईज, ईयर्स, नोज, टंग, and skin. These are the sense organs. Sense organs must be kept clean and protected from any damage. Do you know हम internal organ को कैसे देख सकते हैं? We can see inside the internal organ of the human body using endoscopy. Using endoscopy. Now we will do book exercise. Practice zone. Now open page number 8. This is very exciting exercise. Write one word for the following. The system that helps in giving birth to young ones. The right answer is reproductive system. Reproductive system. Second, the system in which digestion of food takes place. Think now what the answer would be. Right answer is digestive system. Digestive system. Great. So next question is the liquid which carries oxygen throughout the body. Yes, answer is urine. Which carry oxygen practically in whole body. Now look at the next question, which is very sensitive part of your body. The sense organ which gives us the sense of touch. And the answer is skin. When someone touch or pinch you, your skin catches the sense that someone touched you. Look at the last question. It's saying the organ which has the highest number of nerve cell. Think. Let us see who gets the answer first right. So the answer is brain. Brain is the only organ which has the largest nerve cell system. I hope all enjoying Let's do last exercise of today's lecture. See, complete the following flow chart. You must be looking at the 3 column: air, food and touch. As an illustration, nose, mouth, skin is already written in your book. Same way, we need to find out what all we must write in another empty column. In air, what can we write? Yes, windpipe. In food section, we can write food pipe. And intestine. I hope we are not running fast and you will all are writing with me. Great. So last in touch section we can write brain. Why? Because whatever we can sense, feel, brain, catch and act. Now everyone writes your homework. You need to do in book only. Page number 10. One more important thing. Once you complete your homework, send it directly to me on my email address. Let's see who will send me first. I will announce. First 5 received homework, child name, and will tell you on WhatsApp group. This is your homework. Project B and fun activity. In project, write the names of at least 3 organs associated with the following system: digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system. आपको इनके नीचे इन organs के नाम लिखने हैं. The next activity is fun activity. Label the following diagram. आप डायग्राम को ध्यान से देखें और लेबलिंग करो. You must label all the organs in the picture. It's your homework. Subscribe this channel if you like my video. That is it this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.